Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, Day 185 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is a gentle reminder that you are doing enough, even when the world feels loud or your pace feels slow. You are still moving forward. This is your moment to pause and reconnect with that truth. Let's begin by taking a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Let your shoulders soften and let your jaw relax. There's no pressure here, just presence. Now, whisper gently to yourself, I am doing the best I can. I am allowed to rest. And my pace is still going forward. Let those words land softly in your body. Allow yourself to believe them. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the space around you and carry this quiet knowing with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of peace and presence.